XADO Maximum Twin Turbo is a 4-component advanced regeneration solution for high-performance vehicles. The product combines benefits of our atomic metal conditioner and signature formula Revitalizant. Revitalizant blend will create a strong metal ceramic coating along the surface of your engine to protect parts that undergo the most friction. Capable of withstanding extreme temperatures, Twin Turbo simultaneously repairs, restores, and protects the motor parts from wear, overload, and overheating. Since the formula was made for a high-temperature environment of powerful engines, we recommend using this product for vehicles of 300 horsepower or more. Take care of your engine today. Have a good trip.